Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to search like a pro in Google Drive. To do this, it's really simple. You have just to go to your Google Drive, and to search for the files you don't have to search by the name only. You have a lot of options to use them in your search. First of all, you can search for documents by their types. For example, if you want to look or to search for photos only, you can click on photos, and like that it will show you only the pictures on your Google Drive. You can search also by people. If you have shared some pictures with someone, you can search by the picture shared and by the access also you gave to those people, and if they shared these pictures with you or you shared those pictures with them. You can search also by the date of the modification. For example, if you are searching for something from 2025, 2026, or you can add even custom date range. You can search by the source if they are from Meet or from Gmail. You can search by the location where they are located in your drive, shared with you, starred or trashed. You can search even in your trash. And also you can search if they are pending your approval or requested by you or other type of to-dos. And of course you can add the name of the file here, and also the source of the file, the location, and like I told you, the other options that you can use, and they can let or make this searching procedure easier for you. And also you can edit how you see the files, if you want to see the pictures like that, or if you want them to be as list like that to check them. So that's it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.